Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Friday. Welcome to day one of my 2026 holiday card series. This is my 11th one. Can you believe that? That is bananas. I'm so excited to have you here with me today. And if you've been with me forever, you're like, Misty, we never start this early. I know, but I was contemplating doing Christmas in July and I'm like, Misty, it doesn't make sense to do Christmas, then skip a month and then do, the holiday card series. So I thought, let's just start it early. Number one. Number two, it's my favorite thing to film. You guys know I love holiday cards. That's why we spend so much time doing them. So I wanted to start it early, and then finally, since I'm only posting on Fridays for now, I want to make sure that you still get a lot of content from me, so our holiday card content from me. So we're starting it in August. So if you missed it, last week I shared my most used tools, and so you're going to be seeing me use those tools during the holiday card series, a lot of them within the first 4 videos. I'm actually filming this voiceover on this intro on July the 16th. Tomorrow's July the 17th. That's the day I have my surgery. So I'm all gussied up for you guys, but also because Rob and I are going to go see Hamilton today. I'm so stinking excited. So I hope you're just as excited as I am for the holiday card series. Be sure to leave a comment. I really want to get this going into the algorithm. I've pre-filmed, that way you guys don't miss a video from me. Last year really killed my channel, and I would love to get us back going and moving and grooving and introduce new people to my content. So if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I'm posting every Friday at 6 p.m. Central for now. Depending on how surgery goes, I'm having carpal and cubital tunnel on my right arm. Depending on how that goes, if I feel up to it, I may try to do at least Wednesday, Friday, but I'm not making any promises. I am promising Fridays, but I'm not promising Wednesdays just yet. So yeah. All right, friends, if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. That's enough jibber jabber. Let's head over to the craft table, and we're going to use an Echo Park collection that I bought in 2023. Okay, let's get started. It's day one of the 2026 holiday card series. Welcome very much. Yes, we're starting this early. Hopefully I addressed this in the intro. But since I didn't get to do it last year, I've really been itching to get into it. And since right now I'm only posting on Fridays, I want to make sure that we get all of the inspiration in. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through my design process start to finish. And I want to use this. This is the Happy Holidays from Echo Park 2023. So I haven't used this yet. We've got some frames and tags. Looks like I got 2 packages of those. We got 2 packages of the ephemera. Cute. And then we have the 6x6 paper pad. You're like, Misty, I love that color story, right? For someone who loves non-traditional colors, this one really spoke to me. We actually have a lot from this collection. Okay. We've got chipboard. We've got 12x12. We've got puffy stickers. We've got another 6x6. More tags and ephemera. Clearly, I thought I wasn't going to have enough. Clearly. I want to look at the stickers and this. And then we'll look at the journaling cards. Oh, that's a fun print. So basically, the flames and ephemera but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. Look how cute this paper is, you guys. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. All right, let me clean off my desk and we will pull the 6x6 paper pad back out and go from there. Where's the one that has the line of text at the top? This one. I love this. With that Christmas magic. Okay, we're gonna use this one. Oh, and I love the back. I'm gonna cut off these two. Not having any kind of border, I want this to go the length. We're going to fill up the entire card base with this. And we're going to bring in Christmas. Or the most wonderful time of the year. How about we'll do this with this. Oh, I really like that. And then this. Well, no. I think that. And then do we have any like... I really like the lights. We've got these little stars. Are there three? There is a set of three. Well, there's already... Yeah, I like that. Okay, let me... All right, we gotta adhere them ourselves, which is kind of rude, but whatever. I thought these were stickers, but it doesn't seem like they are. If they are, I cannot tell. So I'm going to use tear and tape. The good thing is these aren't very thick, so even if you use them, I don't think this would need to be hand canceled. Excuse me. Here's card number 1, and let's figure out card number 2. Unfortunately, friends, on this day, I started feeling really under the weather, and it looks like I forgot to film card number 2. So we're moving on to card number 3, and I'll show you card number 2 toward the end. So in this one, I'm going to be using some of the stickers from the 12x12 sticker pack, and I'm using this ornament pattern, which is probably my favorite, no lie. You're going to see more cards in the future using this paper, so don't you worry. We're going to get good use out of this 3-year-old Christmas collection. Oh, I wish I could say I wouldn't buy any more, but that would be a lie, and I don't want to lie to you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get this adhered, and then I brought in some of the solids. So I don't think I showed this earlier in the video, but when I purchased this collection, it was during one of their warehouse sales, and they have coordinating solids that go with their collections that you can purchase separately, and I went ahead and did that. So I'm going to cut down this blue, probably 2.5 if I were to guess, and I'm going to put that in the middle, and then we're going to bring in the Fa La La stickers. They are so cute. Oh my gosh. And we're going to be using that plaid border sticker at the bottom. These stickers are just so stinking cute. I love them. I love this collection. I can't speak enough about it. You may be able to find it on their website. I'm not sure. But once I get that done, I'm going to put the stickers down, and then that's going to be it. So thank you so much for joining me today, friends. I really do appreciate you. Day 1, holiday card series in the book. Welcome. Let me know if this is your first time here with us. Other than that, I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your places, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.